Hello everyone, welcome to the third problem of LeetCode top 150 problems. The problem is contains duplicate, one of the easiest problems in 150 where we need to check a duplicate element present in a given array. For example, here in this array we have 1, 2, 3 and 1. Since 1 is duplicated twice, we need to return true. In the same way, in this array we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all are unique elements, we will return false. And then we have 1, 1, 1 right here itself, so it's duplicated, will return 1. Straightforward solution is like we can have one for loop to iterate over each element. Then we need one data structure where we can store the visited arrays. If we think of a list, in that case what happens is in the list the problem is accessing the array, which accessing an element in an array which takes O of n, which will make our solution a bit less performant. So we need to find a data structure where we can access an element in an array in O of 1 duration, or O of 1. Yeah, so the examples, like the data structures which can do this, are hash set for the list elements and dictionaries for the key value pairs. So in this example we want only to store the visited single array number, we'll go with the hash set. Yeah, the implementation is pretty straightforward. Yeah, so let's dive in and code. Yeah, so I will be using C# for coding here. So yeah, as I said, we'll use hash set. Yeah, let me quickly set event. We'll call it as seen or visited, and then we will have hash set out of int. Then we will have one for loop, and equal to 0, and we'll check whether the hash set has it if seen dot contains the number at I. If it contains, that means we have already seen this, and this is a duplicate, so we'll return false. Sorry, I mean return true if it's a duplicate, else outside will return true if it does not get written. But here the important condition, we should not forget to add that number in the hash set. So we'll just say seen dot add. Just a second. Yeah, we'll say seen dot add nums of I. Yeah, let's run it. Again a spell mistake. Let me make this yes capital. Same here. I forgot to type new. Yeah, looks to be good. In both the cases I made a typo, so we should return a false here. Looks to be good. Let's submit. Yeah, this is the fastest solution. Not sure what LeetCode is expecting us to do here, but anyways, thank you for watching.